Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to use LegalZoom for trademark registration. First, all you need to do is to go to their official site and search for registering a trademark. Now from here, all you need to do is to input a specific trademark that can be a powerful tool for protecting your intellectual property. For example, I'm going to type here a specific slogan, like "No man is an island," and click on Start My Trademark. Now after clicking, there are three choices here. All you need to do is to choose either it is a brand or product name, slogan or tagline, and then stylized logo. Now after selecting one, click on Next and enter specific what brand or product name would you like to register and click on Next. Now from here, the question is, are you currently selling products or services using your brand or product name? You can just simply choose yes or no and then hit on Next. Now from here, you can protect your trademark with monitoring. It only costs $175 per year and it renews automatically each year unless you cancel by calling at their number. Then after that, click on Add Trademark Monitoring. Now after it prepares, all you need to do is to provide your personal information, shipping address, and payment information. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.